On October 23rd, 2020, Kith, a lifestyle brand, collaborated with BMW to create a line of premium apparel for men. Sean is a BMW guy, a big BMW guy.
I'm not a fanboy of that car.
Saw this and knew he had to buy something. The collection is releasing today at 10 a.m. sharp, and they're known to sell out fast. It's currently 9:55. Jacket.
And then both hats. Classic black one with the BMW. So you can get it, huh?
Let's see.
The red Letterman is gonna f me right now.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Holy, this is so nerve-wracking, bro. Oh, it's already sold out. Yeah, that one.
Add to cart.
Yes, get it.
That's 90.
Holy shit. That was so crazy.
Yo, we got it.
2,000 years later.
Okay.
It says, to avoid danger of suffocation, keep away babies and children. Do not use in cribs, beds, carriages, or playpens. This bag is not a toy.
I'm assuming this bag has killed somebody before.
I swear to God. It looks good.
Oh, dude, I like the tag. How it's
So,
freaking like the BMW colors.
Look at the tag.
It's cow leather.
It's f***ing leather. It has a black backing.
We don't see that detail on the website.
Look at the back strap.
I like that. It's not like that stupid
No,
plastic.
no.
Dude, that's really nice.
It's a buckle.
I could totally see why it's $90 now. Dude, that's a nice hat. You guys remember this M4 that we did not too long ago? This is the one that we wrapped in satin guard. Looks freaking amazing. But the reason why it's in today is because we are going to be installing these HRA wheels. It's like a gloss gunmetal face with a matte silver outer lip. I don't think I've ever seen this color combination before, actually. So this is my first, and it looks really good. Look how it looks with the inside of the box. It just looks so clean.
Is that a cool effect for your videos?
Yeah, that was great, Dustin.
You know what a good line in a movie is? When Vision grabs...
Oh, and he's like, I just feel you.
No!
I just feel you.
Oh, gross.
First time for me to see this color combo, and it definitely doesn't disappoint. That satin outer lip really goes well with the whole theme of the M4, since the whole car is already satin guard. And the gloss gunmetal in the center is a really nice little contrast. I really don't think there could have been a better color combo. It looks great. More Inozotek wrap coming in. What colors we got?
Gloss black. Tyler, what are you doing today?
I'm not working on your car.
Oh, yo, gloss black. One of the most simple colors, but it is done right.
Is that purple?
Oh yeah, that's sick.
So the reason why we're so excited about this is because gloss black is actually not an easy color. Not all gloss black is the same. Different brands have their own version, and what that means is the clarity, even the shade of the black, isn't always the same. Inozotek has the clearest films that we've seen when it comes to vinyl. Their films actually look like paint. For example, this is also gloss black. It doesn't look the same as this gloss black. I'm hoping you guys can tell, even from the camera, just from this quick glance, this is a lot darker and it's a lot clearer. Like, the reflection is amazing. Whereas this, all the ripply texture, doesn't seem like a big deal, but it is, especially when you put it on an entire car. Honda, is this like Accord? We're actually gonna do this, I assume gloss black, and we're gonna be using the new Inozotek film on this, so I'm excited to see what that looks like. It looks better than paint. All right, so we wrapped this piece here. It used to be chrome, but we wrapped this in the Inozotek gloss black, and it looks really good. Like, this is paint, that's paint, that's paint. This is not, but as you can tell, it looks identical. There's no crazy orange peel like in like some of the other brands. It looks really good. And here's the chrome delete we just did. So window trims were chrome, and now they're satin black, so it matches well with the rubber piece down the bottom.
The last thing to do with this car is just paint the wheels gloss black and it's done.
Yeah, and then you'll have an all blacked out car.
$6,000 subsystem coming.
Oh, another project? It's crazy the amount of vinyl wrap projects we've been getting. We have a Range Rover in today, and we're gonna be wrapping this car. We have it out. I think we have it out. We're gonna be wrapping this car matte green. It's matte olive green. I don't even call it matte military green, red matte army green. Military green works on a boxy type of vehicle like a Range Rover, like a Jeep, a Hummer, you know? It makes sense. We haven't done this color. We haven't done this color yet, so I'm really excited. Dustin, are you excited? We're about to wrap that Range Rover military green. Sean, what do you think? Do you think it's gonna come out really good? Thoughts on the color?
No, none of my work comes out good.
What? You can't tell them that, you know, it's just gonna, we're trying to get business here.
Oh, wait, I didn't know you were recording.
You have a Range Rover? You can come here. I don't like you. Just kidding.
Don't worry, Sean, I won't put that in there. We're in the process of removing all the trim pieces off the Range Rover before we wrap it. This part's coming off. Even the door handles are coming off too. Okay, so I might be a little biased when I say this, but this is definitely my favorite wrap project we have done. This is so cool. Range Rover supercharged in matte green. Oh, this is so cool. I love Range Rovers and I love matte green, so this was a combination just for me, but look at this color. This is our first time doing matte military green, and I mean, I'm just so happy with how it came out. I'm glad our first time doing it was on a Range Rover, because I don't know any other color that would fit this car better than this. When it comes to wrapping a full vehicle like this, we always want to make it look like paint as much as possible. And I truly feel like we accomplished that with this project. As you guys saw earlier, bumpers came off, trim pieces came off. We wanted to reduce the amount of seam. If it's not done right, it can look patchy, and you definitely don't want it to look patchy. Pieces like the grille and the little trim pieces on the front end, the hood piece, the side pieces, and the back pieces, and even the badges were painted satin black, and it just works really well with the whole military green. However, we wanted to keep the Land Rover and the supercharged badges as is. Even got the Range Rover badges to match. That way it almost looks like this could potentially be a car that came from Land Rover themselves. We didn't want to make it look too matchy-matchy, if that makes sense. But the cool thing is just a hint, so it doesn't take away from the color scheme whatsoever. Even the door handles came off, so you can wrap behind it. And a lot of places what they'll do is behind the door handle, like this cup area, this will be a separate piece because they can't get to it or they don't remove the door handles. But as you guys can see, this back piece, all one piece. So it looks very seamless. There's no seams whatsoever. Hey. So let me know what you think of this car. I love it. It looks so good. I'm glad that we're able to do military green, and I'm glad it's on a Range Rover. If you guys have a Range Rover or you guys like this color, hit us up.
Unique, specific color. It works with the Range Rover body.
I'm glad that our first time doing military green was on a Range Rover, and not something that doesn't make sense like a Mini Cooper or something.
Yeah, well, I'm excited about the new Bronco. It will look awesome on the new Bronco.
Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We got more wrap projects coming up. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, hit that little notification bell, and we will see you next time.